Alright, let's do a little walkthrough of Don's flip house. Now it was just this little section here, very old, on a fieldstone foundation. And he had an architect draw this whole portion and add it, as well as picking this piece up and putting a new foundation under it. Garage looks more like, you know, the state of affairs when he started here. New front porch, windows and doors, herringbone slate porcelain, and a little powder room, kitchen living room, and laundry on the left, full bathroom. What's this, linen closet, and bedroom on the first floor with a closet there. View of the creek out the back window. Let's go downstairs. Side door. Wraps around back. These are the stair treads we did in my spray booth, which was cool. Nice to use it for more stuff. Doing a little photography in the basement here, but this is in the new section here, which he did all the block himself. I guess the light doesn't work. And then the original fieldstone. Is there a light switch? Ooh, on the ceiling. So, original fieldstone with a couple of courses of block on top, and new floor, jack posts, all new HVAC. And I think this is the entryway. Yeah, this is under that powder room. I don't know if I can put a light on in here or not. Yeah, this is under the powder room and stuff. And the entryway in the beginning that we walked through. But overall, really made something out of nothing here. That little hut that it was. Turn these off. And then one up here. Got a cool view of the neighbor. I guess those aren't functional, but it's working up here too. Another bedroom above the first floor bedroom. Plenty of windows. View of the creek. And then second floor full bath. With a shower, full tile walk-in. View of the front. Took a couple big catalpa trees in the front, and actually the little catalpa tree I put at my house came from at the end of the property over there. And then linen closet. So three bath, or three bed, 2.5 bath. What's the square footage of this house?
Around
17? Oh, it is. 1,230. Not including the basement, but the deck is really one of the stars of the show. Aluminum balustrade, you know, easier to look through. And we're gonna get to the garage next, and that'll be whipped into shape. And I told him he needs a stairway here, but can do that at another point. Run around and look at the garage. This would be nice if it had built-in stairs here, but plenty of opportunities for the homeowner to come up with their landscaping and everything else. But yeah, this 2-car garage is a beauty. It's a little saggy right now, but vintage framing and clear span, which is nice. Open to the roof, big but not overly so. And when you get this all right and do concrete in here, it really looks nice. Has some brick left over right now, but the yard's good size. Needs to be parged here, but overall square. And there's a good deal of, you know, land between it and erosion, and you can continue to add here if you have any problems. You wouldn't want to be another 5 or 6 feet over. which is where it'll be in a couple hundred years or whatever, but we'll be long gone. Septic system's new, and the lot goes over here to the creek, or the little rivulet that we would call it. This is where that catalpa tree came out of. I'll throw some dirt in there for him. A little, rivulet here that comes out to West Branch Casanova here. Oh, and you could see into the foundation of the mill across the street over there. That's kind of cool. All right, we'll see you.